Hello friend, welcome to my new video. Product name Fable. Product description: one time payment, lifetime deal. Create interactive demos and step by step guides to drive more conversion. Product price $59. Select a plan. License 1, license 2, license 3, 4, 5. 60 day money back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. This product perfect for customer support, marketers, SaaS. Alternative tool: Notion, Webflow, তারপর Webbook, Wix, WordPress. Overview: Fable is a SaaS platform. Fable is a SaaS platform that lets you create interactive demo and step-by-step guides for customer support, lead generation, and SOPs. Capture any workflow and interactive elements. Leverage custom domains. Share and embed interactive demos. Get lifetime access to Fable today. Plans and feature. Core feature: unlimited published demos, view and viewers, custom branding, share as link or embed, enable hotspot, basic analysis, auto of demo workflow, text and image in annotation message, Figma support, custom webbooks, no watermark. License 1, $59, one time purchase, buy now, click here. All feature above include: license 2, $129, one time purchase off. License 3, $269. You need a tool that make it easy to create interactive demo that are to each customer. Introducing Fable. Click here. Product: custom lead form, deep customization, choose your mood, embed or share, mobile responsiveness, multiple guide types. Solution: marketing, customer success, sales, partnership. Start for free. Click here. This product dashboard, interactive demo, integration, user management, billing free choice that what's include full HTML capture, one published demo, strafe 40 $40, business $100, enterprise etc. Settings, free demo consultation, click here. With available interactive demo you can embed on website to encourage your conversion, share with your perspective to close deals faster, include in high content to reduce support tickets. This product link my description, video description. Check out. Thank you.